Stop. Don't make the mistake I just made on YouTube. I thought I was helping my channel grow, but instead my views started dragging. I only had 36 subscribers and I switched recommendation to settings to all settings. In other words, we have recent content and all content. And I went to choose all content. I chose all content. And my new videos stopped getting pushed. So if you are a small creator, this is the last mistake I want you to repeat. And here's what happened. When you switch to recommend all content, YouTube don't just push your latest upload. You start testing your older videos and to see if those older videos will perform well. And if those videos don't perform well, they also hinder the chances of your recent content from performing well or gaining momentum. That's what I experienced exactly in few days. That's from last week till today. I just switched back yesterday to recommend recent content. But when I switched back to recommend recent content, things started picking up. Just within yesterday and today. Because one thing I discovered is that YouTube focus on the power of testing on your newest upload, and it gives the fresh content the best chance to grow. So here's the lesson. If you're a small creator with less than 1,000 subscribers, I think you should leave your settings on recent content. I don't repeat my mistake. Save this content, for later. And don't forget this video. Always come back to watch this video in case you are at this. Right now, I will show you where and where I touched. At times we explore. So I'll be using my YouTube studio to demonstrate to you. So you go straight to your channel now. If you're a new creator with less than 1,000 subscribers, please don't activate recommend all content. I sincerely advise you activate recommend recent content, which gives your video that is 1 year and below a chance of getting recommended. So guys, don't make the mistake I made. If this have helped you, I'd like you to drop a like, comment, as well as share this video. Let's share our experiences, our struggles, our challenges we may be having on this red app, which is YouTube. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so you won't miss other lessons that are coming up. And we are all on our growth journey. Whether you are 200 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 30,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers. So one or two things we share with ourselves always help us grow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So here is the screen record. So here am I on my YouTube studio. I'll click on the profile photo close to the bell. Close to the bell. The profile photo close to the bell. Alright. Next step, I click on the pencil icon. That one that is up. That pencil icon. Tap on it. Loads. I search down and come to look for Home tab. I click on More Settings. More Settings. Tap More Settings. Alright, so here is it. So you can see this setting alone can change how your content goes. But please don't activate the wrong one, which is all content. If you have subscribers less than 1,000, activate recent content only.